What is going on, Savage Life family? Today we're going to hop straight into it. I'm going to be talking about NIO, and it has been making some great moves recently. This week it has gone up. Let's see. It has gone up 9.8% in the past week. I bought it in at the beginning of the week on Monday with the average cost of $18.56, and it is currently at $21.11. I'm currently up $255 on this return since I bought in 100 shares, but it's gonna go sayonara since I did put a call on this for passive income. So regardless, is a win-win for me, but I'm definitely going to be buying back into this company due to the moves that they are going to be making. So the reason they jumped up is because the Dutch bank came out praising how great of a buy NIO is, and they gave NIO a price target of $24. So of course, for a huge bank to come out and say this about a startup EV company, it really isn't a startup since it was established in 2014, but it was listed in 2018, which is fairly recent, at the price of $6, and it's already all the way at $21, and that is amazing. Seeing as its competitor is Tesla, you would think that Tesla would knock it out the water, but it's actually helping NIO grow as a company. People are realizing that electric automated cars are going to be the wave and the upcoming future. Let's be real. Society is getting lazier and lazier by the year. Actually, it's gonna come to a standpoint where we're not even gonna have to drive our car. We're just gonna have to get in our car, sip some coffee, and bam, sayonara, we're at work. So projections for NIO is through the roof currently. And over the weekend, at a Chinese auto show in Beijing, NIO announced an autopilot feature and faster charging options. The recently launched EC6. The company will be dropping $14.6 million into deploying 30,000 charging stations. So let's take a look at this EC6. It is currently a beauty, and I know why people are paying thousands of dollars for this car, because it truly is a luxury EV car. Now, what shocked me was the interior. Oh my god, look at that dashboard, ladies and gentlemen. We're looking at comfort, we're looking at luxury, and we're looking at the future. This here is the future. It looks like they're already 5 years ahead of the game, 5 to 10 years ahead of the game compared to a lot of cars in this genre as well as Tesla. So this is why I see NIO really going far. The projections are through the roof, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I forgot to mention, in the car show, they did show the EP9, which was released in 2016, so it is kind of old, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up if you haven't seen the EP9. This car here looks like a mixture of the Agera and the newly Corvette. If you guys have seen this car here, is a beauty. Maybe preferably my favorite car of all time is this bad boy right here, Tesla Roadster, but the EP9 will now be a close second. All right, so I want you guys to let me know what you think of NIO. Their earnings are going to be released in mid to late December, so if you plan on buying into the company, please do so before the earnings is released. That's all I have for today. Stay tuned for the next one. Smash that like, subscribe, and comment. We are out.